student, how are you? I am R.P. Singh, an eminent expert educator of biochemistry. I shall teach to you neural control and coordination, but current lecture based on the mechanism of hearing of the ears. You understand carefully my lectures. I shall explain the lectures in both the medium Hindi and English. Lecture focused on the question of NEET, AIMS, PVT, class 11th and 12th and other competitive examination related to biology. Lectures used as a optional subject of zoology for IAS, IFS, PFS and PCS. You see the video up to the end. Please comes on the first slide. This is the second lectures. I had teach to you first lecture based on the anatomy of the ear. Second lecture, mechanism of the ear. Some important terms explained here. These terms is as follow: bony labyrinth, membranous labyrinth, sensory cells या sensory hairs, scala vestibuli, scala media, scala tympani, organs of corti. Number 8, auditory nerves divided into two parts. Number 1, vestibular. Number 2, cochlear. Like, subscribe and share to video. I am R.P. Singh, an eminent expert educator of biochemistry. Please comes on the next slide. You see a structure. There are two terms, bony labyrinth and membranous labyrinth. These are the hardest part called bony labyrinth and soft part denoted by blue color called membranous labyrinth. A space present between bony labyrinth and membranous labyrinth called scala vestibuli. I shall denote by a indicator. Second space present below bony labyrinth and membranous labyrinth called scala tympani. There are two structures, bony labyrinth and membranous labyrinth. You understand carefully. Please comes on the next slide. Most important structure of the ear. Very most important structure of the ear. These are the external ear pinna, external auditory canal, eardrum. This is the middle ear. Middle ear contains three ossicles या bones called malleus, incus and stapes. I had teach to you bones or ossicles in anatomy of the ear. Sound wave move to external ear to middle ear and middle ear to internal ear. These are the part of internal ear. Sound wave move through malleus, incus and stapes. Stapes is the smallest bones of the body. Stapes open into internal ear via oval window या fenestra ovalis into scala vestibuli. Scala vestibuli, sound wave move into scala vestibuli and enter into scala tympani via helicotrema. Helicotrema is the junction between scala vestibuli and scala tympani. Third scala is present called scala media. Scala media in which tectorial membranes and organs of corti with sensory hairs are present. Sensory hairs and sensory cells, namely Henson cell, Dieter cell, pillar cell and sensory cells. Scala vestibuli contain a fluid called perilymph, and scala tympani contain a fluid called perilymph, and scala media contain a fluid called endolymph. There are three membranes present. First membranes called regional membranes present between scala vestibuli and scala media. Second membranes called basilar membrane. Basilar membrane present between scala tympani and scala media. Vestibular membranes called regional membranes. Tectorial membranes present in scala media. Sound wave transferred into middle ear, internal ear, reaches to scala tympani through helicotrema and move to outside via fenestra rotundus or rounded window. When sound wave passed in scala tympani, organs of corti, hearing organs present in scala media, sensory hairs and sensory cells sensitized at the time of passing of sound wave. These sensory cells and sensory hairs attached with the tectorial membranes, so a signal is generated. These are transferred to brains via cochlear nerves. These are the mechanism of ear. Mechanism of hearing. Please comes on the next slide. These are the internal structure of the ear. These are the 3D diagram. Three semicircular canal present called anterior semicircular canal, posterior semicircular canal, lateral semicircular canal, ampulla. Ampulla is the terminal part of semicircular canal. These are swelled, uticulus and sacculus. These are the part of vestibular internal ear. By a steering, you see a steering line. I had divided the internal ear into two parts, vestibular and cochlear. Vestibular regions of the ear play an important role in balancing, and cochlear regions play an important role in hearing. You see a section of cochlea. Three chambers, scala vestibuli, scala media, and scala tympani. Sound wave denoted by red enter into scala vestibuli and move forward, reaches to helicotrema and return back into scala tympani, and exit out by fenestra rotundus. Blue color denote scala media. Mechanism of the ear explained in the first diagram. This is an animated video. You listen and understand carefully. I shall start. Sound wave coded with eardrum, by which vibration started in ear oscus. Sound entered into internal ear. The way of movement of sound start from middle ear to scala vestibuli via fenestra ovalis to scala tympani via helicotrema and exit by fenestra rotundus. Sensory hair present in the organs of corti. Signal generated by touching of sensory hair with tectorial membranes and reaches to brain via cochlear nerve. Please listen on second time. Sound wave coded with eardrum, by which vibration started in ear oscus. Sound entered into internal ear. The way of movement of sound start from middle ear to scala vestibuli via fenestra ovalis to scala tympani via helicotrema and exit by fenestra rotundus. sensory hair present in the organs of cortex, signal generated by touching of sensory hair with tactile membranes and reaches to brain via cochlear nerve. You listen animated video. Please come to the next slide. These are the structure of organs of cortex. You see carefully. Tactile membranes, these are the scala media. Scala media in which tactile membranes, sensory hairs and sensory cells are present. These are called Henson cell, Dieter cell, pillar cell and sensory cells. When sound wave move from scala vestibuli to scala tympani and pass away to fenestra rotundus, a sensation generate into sensory hairs. These sensory hairs attached with tactile membranes and a signal is generated. Signal transfer to cochlear, signal transfer to brains via cochlear nerves. Brain identify the sound. Please comes on the next slide. This is the structure of ear. Dissecting structure of the ear: external ear, middle ear. Middle ear contain 3 ossicles: scala vestibuli, helicotrema. Helicotrema is the junction between scala vestibuli and scala tympani. Sound wave move through scala tympani to outside via fenestra rotundus. Organs of cortex present in scala media. Sensory hair and sensory cells sensitized, attached with tactile membranes, and a signal is generated. Signal transfer to brain via cochlear nerves. These are the mechanism of hearing. You understand carefully. Thanks for watching. All the very best.